Hey, good morning, guys. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis, bringing to you today a 2014 Peterbilt glider kit. It's got about 900,000 total miles on it, 76,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul, including head, injectors, turbo, water pump, and also the bull gear. So pretty extensive. It's got a nice 13-speed in it. It's got a smaller stand-up sleeper. But we're gonna get the ball rolling here. We'll get it fired up and do a full walk around for you. It's not hot yet, but you get the idea with the oil pressure. The way that it fires up, and it's already high, so just the responsiveness as well. And we've got all the paperwork on the engine too, so no worries there. Really clean on the inside. Good rubber all around. For a little bit older truck and the miles, it's really good shape. Body paint, interior. Good Michelin's on the rear here, matched up. It's flex air suspension. And a little bit of rust here on the rear that's been cleaned up and painted at one time. Underneath the hood and the cab and everything is rust free, but you do have it on the back here, probably where a trailer's been over the top here. As you go further up the truck, it's got less and less on there, so